imposter. Y'all don't even wanna start it with the author. This is my story and I'ma do what I wanna. Talk is cheap, so if you're gonna run your mouth, I'm quick to hit your ass. I ain't playing around no more. Feeling froggy, better spend pounds, so you're gonna end up out the door. No time for the fake shit. If I said it, I meant it. I'm staying 100 till the day I die. Flying high in the sky, I'ma ride or die. Cause it's dead before the sun, and yeah, that's right. Y'all don't even wanna try to test me. I'll lay you all the rest. RP and I ain't even stressed. Spit this shit so correctly, it's a blessing when I hop on the track. In fact, let's dash to the future, fuck the past. Cause it's time to move past whack. Zooming on the right path, grab the stash, let's blow up the bag. Yeah, you know, and I'm getting so high, I ain't never coming down. I'ma run this town. I'm a ninja, so I don't make a sound. Swinging my hatchet and I'm down with the clown. With the psychopathic music, yeah, I'm choosing to do my best, whatever it takes, no matter the stakes. You don't never fold me, break me down, won't ever happen. I'm the damn captain, so salute me or shoot me. Cause in the end, I'ma be snapping on the track with the lyrical velocity of a master in this rap game. Insane and deranged is what they call me, man. I'm a Leo. Guess that makes me a lion. I'm defying the triumph. Yo, I'm starting to riot. Roll with me and try it. I'm on the 9, so trying to find my mind. It's like trying to catch minds, but the blind eye. So you better be ready for me to come up. Yeah, I'm stoned in this hard, like you know the same. Dumb like I invest way too much time in this shit to be lame on the page. I'm the specialist line to smith the range, like I'm blasting off in outer space. They call me a Martian. I'm the artist with the flow so cold, it's like the Arctic bone. If you don't want no beef, then you better not try and start shit. Cause I'll knock your lights out like you needed some narc. Caught an overdose, I'm about to drop some bombs straight on it, bitch. I've been mobbing, but against the moves and slams, you don't even be able to sound the alarm when I come for you in the microphone. I'ma own it, this is my crown, ain't no crony. You a phony, homie, for sure. If you ain't real, stay out my lane. This is my ride and I'm lifting off like a plane in another plane. Off the chain like I've been in cage for days. I'm in rage, I'm ready to demolish the stage. Shooting for the check, fuck the fame. I just want the recognition and respect. I'm on the attack, setting the fire to the mix. Just allow me to strike the match. I'm coming in so fast like the flash. When I spit it, I'm ill. I'm sick in the head with the sadistic shit I say. Man, I'm stay ballin' like I shoot to kill. Hope you feel what I'm saying. If you keep it playing in your radio waves, and I'm leaving you stuck in days. The A's out your mind and craze. This is all I really gotta say.